it's getting personalized advice on saving money on your utilities, top tips perhaps on saving on your heating bills, or even free cheap eats cooking advice from a Michelin-starred chef, there's now tons and tons of ways to save big on TikTok. In particular, its new money-saving hub. Let's take a look at some of the best TikTok tips. Our first tip, and probably the most unexpected tip from TikTok, is thanks to Michelin-starred chef Tristan Welch. Instead of showing us how to cook like a 5-star chef, he's actually taken to TikTok to show us ways of making food that use the least amount of energy, as well as recipes that contain cheaper food. In this video, for example, he tells viewers how to reduce their energy consumption by washing the rice properly to remove the extra starch and to reduce their cooking time by 2/3. Then all you have to do is whack your heating up to the max and then move it down to the lowest as soon as it's there and boiling, and cook it with a tea towel under the lid as to reduce energy. Other videos that he's been making include making espresso martinis using used coffee grounds. Another great money-saving tip comes from TikTok user creator Irish Budgeting, who shared a video about her pouches or cash stuffing technique. She uses this technique to budget effectively for 2 weeks for a family of 5. All you have to do is start with a total sum of cash that you can afford for the next 2 weeks, then you allocate certain amounts into labeled pouches for each and every expense that you have. This then ensures, of course, that you never go over budget on each expense. Her purchases, for example, include ones for food and petrol, as well as optional expenses, which can all be budgeted for. She also does great videos on how to feed the family for as little as €5. TikTok user Becky's Bizarre, meanwhile, shows her viewers how to grab absolute bargains from car boot sales and charity shops. She's managed to grab some really nice, good quality stuff and some great outfits that are all or partly sourced from charity shops and car boot sales, needless to say. As she details in her videos here, you can set yourself a budget of say £5 or £10 and set yourself a challenge to find an outfit for an upcoming event. And with this, you can save yourself a pretty penny whilst having fun. Yet another amazing set of videos in terms of saving money is from TikTok user AnnRussell03. She gives some great advice on how to barter your bills down, and as well as that, how you can get your outgoings down. As she points out in her video, saving money on utilities is something we all know that we should do, but it's something that we often all fail to do. However, like in her video, if you simply set some time aside to sit down and search for the cheapest quotes from different companies and you take these to your current supplier, you can essentially barter them into lowering your rates. This will then lower your outgoings, and it works for utilities such as insurance, broadband, and energy suppliers. If not, then it certainly pays to tally up all of your subscriptions and outgoings that aren't essentials and see if you really need them and how much money they're all adding up to. Also, another great account to follow is the account Money for Millennials. Anna, who runs the account, fits every person into one of 3 financial categories, and then she offers specific saving tips towards each category. For example, for category 1, who want to grow their own wealth, you have emergency funds, you have a good income, and the rest is invested. For category 2, however, you have a decent income but no emergency fund and no extra funds for financial growth because the systems haven't been put in place yet. Category 3 instead is where your finances are quite tough and you may have some debts and or be struggling to recover from debt or financial difficulties. Nonetheless, once you've worked out your number, you can start making a financial strategy to go about reaching your money goals. And she also does lots of money saving videos overall, especially for those 3 categories. This is, needless to say, just a selection of money saving videos on TikTok, but of course, I'm sure that you'll have seen tons and tons of videos. Which ones have you recommended? Which ones have helped you to save money? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel here for all the best ways to save. Thanks for watching from Hot UK Deals.